And then, as we don't want the same sequence between the first bass and the second bass, we're gonna play with the empty spaces. As you can see, here we have an empty space, here we have another empty space. So what I'm doing is filling the empty spaces with the second bass. So we're gonna put this here, for example, we're gonna delete this. We can put this here 1 octave more. And maybe we can go like this. For example, you can see here, it's flopping one with the other one, so let's change it. Let's put it here, maybe 1 octave less. And this one, we can put, it's okay like this. We're gonna make it shorter. As you can see, it plays one with the other one with different waves. Even if it sounds similar, because I always work with similar sounds, it comes from different sound origins, so you can hear the game that they make one with the other.